Hello everyone, this is an email about assignments. For AI, I give you an assignment and you have submitted that to me. Those who haven't, please do submit. I know we have been disrupted in this semester, so you can still submit your assignment. Can you do that as soon as you can? One thing I asked you is that in the subject of your email, you put this information in this format. So your surname plus, and then you have the code for the module, and then assignment and the number of the assignment. The reason I ask you to do this is because I use an automatic process to help me manage assignments. I want to tell you about that process so that you appreciate why you should follow the instructions that I'm asking you. So when I receive emails, so these are the emails that you submitted. Well, as you imagine, I receive lots of emails from other people, from other assignments and other students' projects and so on. Going through every email, reading it, if it's a submission, saving that submission, making a record that that submission has been made, it's very time intensive. So I have some rules that I define, and I use labels. So according to the subject of the email, I assign a specific label to that email. So in this case, you can see that I'm using this label, 2021 CIT AI. This is the code of the module. And all the emails that have in the subject the code of the module and assignment get processed with the same label. So you can see here they are all labeled in the same way. They are all in this folder. Now, what do I do with that? Well, this is the stage one. So stage one is collecting all the submissions into some kind of format. And in this case, they are collected under this label. The next stage would be to save individual submissions somewhere so I can read them, and to make a note of the student's name, and of course giving feedback to the student. Well, if I go through every single email individually, that's going to be time intensive. So what I do is I use the Google scripts. So, you know, there are Google apps and app scripts that can be used. So it's all JavaScript. Okay, and basically what I do is, well, I did a little menu for myself, which is on this spreadsheet. You can see here this assignments menu, and I have manage submissions. Now when I click this button, my code is going to read the label from cell B2, so from this one. Let me highlight it for you. So I'm going to read the code, and with that code, the app or the script is going to go through all my emails. And for all the emails that have been labeled in this way, it will do two things. It will save the name of the student and the email, the detail about the submission, into a sheet, into this file. And then it will save all the files into a folder. Now, I did run this before, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. I'm going to remove... one second. I'm going to remove the ones that I have done before, so you can see. So in this folder, I want to save all the assignments, all the attachments of those particular emails. So this is what my code is going to do. I'm not going to go through the code now, but this is the get submission function. But anyway, I go in here and I say manage submission. And this script is going to run, is going to create a new sheet. In this sheet, I will see soon the names of all the students and all the submissions. And then I should be able to see a folder you can see now with assignment 1. And you can see how the attachments get saved automatically in this folder. So once the script is finishing, I should see all the list of all the students. So the reason I'm asking you to follow a specific format is to help our work easier. And, you know, the sooner I give you feedback, the better. If I have a lot of work to do, and remember, I'm also managing the projects, it's going to be time consuming. So please, next time I'm asking you to follow a specific subject format or template, please do so. It will be very helpful for me. Thank you very much.